I think most owners think of BIM adoption as an additional cost that they have to bear upfront, which is true, but what they need to also look at is that because I've adopted BIM, I am going to get a saving in my material wastage. I am going to get saving in my time to completion. There are a lot of things that the model does in terms of the 2D drawings are extracted from the model. So I don't have to spend time of so many man hours and hours trying to get that drawing out. When the bills have to be verified against the quantities consumed at site, it's much faster. Instead of taking 7 days to verify that bill, using a model you can do it in 1 day. This way, even for the contractors to get payments on their projects is faster. So there are these intangible benefits which we don't think of when we are looking at how much investment I have to make for BIM. First 2-3 projects that we use BIM on are going to have intangible benefits, but I think once as an organization you've gone through that journey, you are going to see tangible benefits because your investment in BIM will go down and you'll just start getting returns and gains as you go ahead. So for any of the owners or contractors who want to do this BIM journey, typically we see that the design cost are not more than 10% of our project cost. And if we look at what is the BIM cost, it's not even 1%. So if you have to spend 1% and you can save 5-6% or even more during your construction, that is a big saving. And we just stop and hesitate towards spending that 1%. I think that is what contractors and owners need to be aware, that in the long run we are going to save not just 10%, we are going to save much more in terms of time and wastages, and our investment in setting up that BIM practice, BIM adoption is not a reoccurring investment, and it's just going to bear lot of returns as we go ahead.